Dear students, welcome you all for the online classes. In the we are clear last topics with the help of physical classroom, but still we don't have time to complete the portion. That's why we are going to conduct the classes with the help of video classes. Today I am going to deal with the topic that is differential equations, which is very important for your annual exam. One of the 5 marks question which comes under the same topic, that is differential equations. After that, one question which is 2 mark, finding the order in degree. What is meant by differential equation? Let us take definition. An equation involving derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called a differential equation. What is definition? An equation involving derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called a differential equation. What is the dependent variable? Here, y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. Y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. The examples for differential equations are dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. What is the dy by dx? Dy by dx you write it as, you may write it as y dash. Dy by dx you write it as y dash. You know in the calculus part, that is dy by dx is equal to y dash. Or you write it as y double dash plus y is equal to 0 for the second differential equation. After that, the order is third, that is d3y by dx3. This equation you can write in the form of d3y divided by dx3 plus 2 into d2y divided by dx2 plus dy by dx, which is equal to 0, which is nothing but the differential equation. Correct? Here y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable, which is nothing but differential equation. What is differential equation? An equation involving derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called differential equation. After that, automatically our definition goes with ordinary differential equation. What is meant by ordinary differential equation? An equation involving derivative of the dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable. An differential equation involving derivatives of the dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable. Only one independent variable is called an ordinary differential equation. Examples: 2 into d2y by dx2 plus dy by dx whole cube is equal to 0. 2 into d2y by dx2 plus dy by dx whole cube is equal to 0. What is meant by order of a differential equation? How to find out the order? Order in the sense that how many times the function get differentiated. How many times the given function get differentiated. For example, order of a differential equation is nothing but order of a differential equation is defined as the order of the highest order derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable involved in the given differential equation. Highest order derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable is called the order of the differential equation. For example, it is dy by dx means first order. Why because first order? Because it is differentiated in the single time, that is dy by dx. Order is 1. Here d2y by dx2, what is the order? 2 is there, therefore order is 2. Here d3y by dx3, the function can differentiated thrice, therefore order is 3. That is nothing but order of a differential equation. Order of a differential equation is nothing but the given function, how many times it gets differentiated, which is nothing but order of the given differential equation. Next is degree of the differential equation. That is nothing but degree of the differential equation. Degree of the differential equation is nothing but degree of the highest derivative when the differential coefficients are cleared from radicals and fractional powers. Degree of the differential equation. Next concept is degree of a differential equation. Degree of a differential equation. Degree of a differential equation. Degree of a differential equation is degree of the highest order. Degree of the highest derivative. Degree of the highest derivative. Degree of the highest derivative when the differential coefficients differential coefficients are cleared from radicals and fractional powers. Radicals and fractional powers. What is degree of the differential equation? Degree of the differential equation is the degree of the highest order derivative. Degree of the highest derivative or highest order derivative when the differential coefficients are clear from radicals and fractional powers. Differential coefficients are clear from radicals and fractional powers. What is degree of the differential equation? Degree of the differential equation is the degree of the highest order derivative when the differential coefficients are clear from radicals and fractional powers. For example, I will write one example: dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0. What is the degree? Degree is equal to 1. Why? Because this highest order derivative, their power is 1. Highest order derivative, their power is 1. Highest order derivative is divided. Their power is 1. Therefore, degree is 1. I will take one more example. That is d2y divided by dx2 plus dy by dx to the power is 3 plus 100y, which is equal to 0. 100y is equal to 0. Then what is the degree of the differential equation? Degree of the differential equation is nothing but highest order derivative. Therefore, here what is the degree? Degree is equals to highest order derivative is d2y by dx2, not dy by dx. d2y by dx2, their power is 1. Therefore, degree is equal to 1. Highest order derivative, their power. Here dy by dx to the power 3. You cannot write order degree is 3. Why? Because degree is not 3. Because it is dy by dx is the first order. It is not the highest order. What about the highest order derivative? d2y by dx2 is the highest order derivative. Their power is 1. Therefore, degree is 1. After that, I will take one more example. That is one more example. That is, I will take example number 3. d2y divided by dx2 plus dy by dx to the power 100 plus sin y is equal to 0. Sin y is equal to 0. This is the differential equation where our job is to find the degree. What is the degree of the differential equation? Degree is equal to dy by dx is the first order derivative. What is highest order? d2y by dx2, their power is 1. Therefore, degree is 1. Not degree is 100. Degree is not 100. Why? Because 100 is the number which is greater than 1, but dy by dx is first order, not highest order. Here d2y by dx2 is the second order, which is highest order. Therefore, their power we have to compare. After that, I will write one more example: d2y by dx2 plus sin of dy by dx. Sin of dy by dx is equal to 0. Here the degree is not defined. Why? Because here degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. Why? Because degree is not defined. Here d2y by dx, sign of the derivative, sign of trigonometric functions with the derivative or e to the power some derivative, then the degree is not defined. No question of degree, but it has an order. What is the order? Second order, but it does not have a degree. For example, I will write dy by dx plus 10 dy by dx or 2 e to the power y dash is equal to 0. E to the power y dash. Then degree is not defined. Degree is equal to not defined. Why degree is not defined? Because we have e to the power 1 derivative. E to the power 1 derivative we have. Therefore, degree is not defined. E to the power. Suppose e to the power y. E to the power y is there. Then degree is defined. Then degree is nothing but first degree is nothing but 1. Here the divisor e to the power y dash is the derivative. Therefore, degree is not defined. These are all some examples for order in degree. Next, our job is to find degree and order. Correct? After that, I will write some of the questions. You can write the answers. Important for 2 mark category. Example: find the degree. Find the degree. First one, d3y divided by dx3 plus 2 into d2y divided by dx2 to the power 2 minus dy by dx plus y, which is equals to 0. The degree is equal to 1. Degree is equal to 1. Why? Because d3y by dx3 to the power is 1. Therefore degree is 1. Second one, dy by dx whole square, plus dy by dx plus dy by dx minus sin square y is equal to 0. Degree is 2. Degree is equal to 2. After that, third one, dy by dx plus sin of dy by dx is equal to 0. Then degree is equal to not defined. Why? Because not defined? Because we are taken dy by dx plus sin of the derivative. If sin of the derivative will come, then degree is not defined. Then important for 2 mark category. 2 mark. Important questions. 2 mark important questions. Find order and degree. Find order and degree. First one, d4y divided by dx to the power 4 plus sin of y triple dash is equal to 0. Then order is equal to 4. Order 4. Degree not defined. Order is 4. Degree is not defined. Degree not defined. Second one, y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. Order 1 degree 1. Order 1 and degree 1. Because y dash is first order. Write it as dy by dx plus 5y is equal to 0. After that, degree is also 1. Third one, ds divided by dt to the power 4 plus 3s d2s divided by dt square is equal to 0. Second order degree. What is the second order d2s by dt square is second order. What is the second order degree? Power is 1. Therefore degree is 1. Order is 2. Degree is 1. After that, fourth one, d2y divided by dx2 to the power 2 plus cos of dy by dx, cos of dy by dx is equal to 0. Then order is second and degree not defined. Degree is not defined. Order is second, degree is not defined. Order is second, degree not defined. Order is 2 and degree is not defined. After that, fifth one, d2y divided by dx2 is equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x. Order is 2, degree 1. Order is 2, degree 1. What is the order? d2y by dx is the order, second order. What is the degree? Their power. This power is 1, therefore degree is 1. After that, sixth one, y triple dash whole square plus y double dash to the power 3 plus 0. Then what is the order? Order is equal to third order and degree. Third order degree is 2. Order is 3. Order is 3, but degree is 2. Order is 3. Degree is 2. After that, seventh one, y double dash plus 2y double dash plus y dash is equal to 0. Order that is 3. After that, degree it is 1. Order is 3 because their power, highest order derivative, their power is 1. Therefore, degree is 1. After that, eighth one, y double dash plus y is equal to e to the power x. Order is equal to 1. Degree 1. Order 1 and degree 1. Order is 1. Degree is also 1. After that, ninth one, y double dash plus y dash square plus 2y is equal to 0. Order is 2. Order 2 and degree. Order 2 degree that is 1. Order 2 and degree 1. After that, tenth one, y double dash plus 2y dash plus sin y is equal to 0. Then order is 2. Order that is 2 and degree. Order 2 degree that is nothing but 1. Order 2 degree 1. 11th one, dy by dx minus cos x is equal to 0. Order 1. Order is equal to 1. Degree is equal to 1. Order 1 and degree 1. After that, 12th one, d5 divided by dx to the power 5 plus y square plus e to the power dy by dx which is equal to 0. Then order, that is order is equal to 5. Order is 5. Degree is equal to not defined. Degree not defined. Degree is not defined. The order is 5, degree is not defined. Means what? The order and degree, finding the order is how many times the function is get differentiated, and degree is nothing but the highest order derivative, therefore we have to compare. These are all some questions which are important for 2 mark degree. The part B in the annual paper. Next. Next, I will take one the example that is order and degree again. d2y divided by dx to the power 3 plus dy by dx square plus sine of dy by dx plus 1 is equal to 0. Then degree is equal to not defined. Degree is not defined and order is equal to and third order. Sorry, order is 2. Why? Because 2 d2 by dx2, the order is 2, second order derivative. After that, example 2x square d2y divided by dx2 minus 3 into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Then order is equal to second and degree is equal to 1. Order is second, d2 by dx2 is the second order and degree is 1. d2 by dx2 is the second order and degree is nothing but 1. Next important concept is general end. Next concept is general end and particular solution of a differential equation. General and particular solution of a differential equation. First of all, the solution which contains solution which contains arbitrary constants, solution which contains arbitrary constants is called the general solution, is called the general solution, or in bracket primitive of the differential equation, primitive of the differential equation. A solution which contains arbitrary constant is called general solution, or it is nothing but the primitive of the differential equation. Or the solution which contains arbitrary constant is called general solution. Arbitrary constant is called general solution, or primitive of the differential equation. Example: I will take dy by dx, which is equals to 3x square. Dy by dx is equal to 3x square. Then automatically our job is to find the solution. Correct? Which is a differential equation. Which is differential equation y, because it has a dependent variable y and independent variable which is nothing but x. Dy by dx is equal to 3x square. Dy is equal to 3x square into dx. Then you integrate integration of dy, integration of 3x square into dx, which implies integration of dy is y, integration 3 into x to the power 3 divided by plus c, and close y is equal to x to the power 3 plus c, where c is constant of integration, that is arbitrary constant. What is the solution? The solution we have y is equal to x cube plus c is the solution, but this solution has one arbitrary constant, because the solution of the differential equation, that is general solution, is nothing but solution of the differential equation. It has an arbitrary constant. The solution is nothing but solution of this general solution, which is nothing but solution of the differential equation. It has a arbitrary constant, that is c. C is the arbitrary constant. After that, one more definition is nothing but particular solution. Particular solution is nothing but arbitrary constant, no arbitrary constant, that is free from arbitrary constant is called particular solution. Next we take the definition, that is particular solution. It is nothing but particular solution. The solution free from arbitrary constants. Solution free from arbitrary constants. That is the solution obtained from the general solution. By giving particular values to the arbitrary constant, is called particular solution. I will write it as equation number 1. What is particular solution? Particular solution in the sense that the solution which is free from the arbitrary constants. When the value of c is nothing but arbitrary constant, if we are going to free, how you can free the arbitrary constant? You can free the arbitrary constant with the help of giving suitable values. I will put c is equal to 100 in equation 1, that is y is equal to x cube plus 100 is the particular solution to dy by dx, which is equal to 3x square. Correct? What is the particular solution? Arbitrary constant free from the arbitrary constant is called particular solution. That is y is equal to x cube plus 100. You may take 100 in place of 100. You can take changes the values. You can change the values. Then you automatically get the differential equation, which is nothing but the particular solution. Now y is equal to x cube plus 100 is nothing but particular solution. Next. Now I will have a question that is verify that example. Verify that the given functions is a solution of the differential equation or not. First one, y is equal to e to the power x plus 1 is a solution for y double dash minus y dash is equal to 0. Y double dash minus y dash is equal to 0. Solution. What is our job? Our job is nothing but this solution. Y is equal to e to the power x plus 1 is a particular solution. Y is equal to e to the power x plus 1 is a particular solution. This solution is solution for the given differential equation. What we have to check. For that, given y is equal to e to the power x plus 1. Correct? Then what about the y dash? Y dash is nothing but e to the power x. Differentiate with respect to x. What is y dash? It means differentiate with respect to x. What is y double dash? Y double dash is nothing but again e to the power x. Now consider y double dash minus y dash is equal to y double dash is nothing but e to the power x. What is y dash? Y dash is nothing but e to the power x, which is nothing but 0, which is nothing but our RHS. Therefore, y is equal to e to the power x is a solution. Therefore, y is equal to e to the power x plus 1 is a solution. Y is equal to e to the power x plus 1 is a solution. Second one, y is equal to x square plus 2x plus c is solution for y dash minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Solution. Y is equal to x square plus 2x plus c. Y dash means first derivative, that is differentiate with respect to x. Y dash, that is nothing but 2x plus 2. Now consider y dash minus 2x minus 2, which is nothing but 2x plus 2 minus 2x minus 2. What is the answer? 2x square is 2 to 8 which is equal to 0, which is nothing but RHS. Therefore, y is equal to x square plus 2x plus c is a solution. After that, third one. Can take it as third one. Y is equal to e to the power minus 3x is a solution for d2y divided by dx2 plus dy by dx minus 6y is equal to 0. We have to check whether the given solution y is equal to e to the power minus 3x is a solution for this differential equation or not. Check it once again. Solution. Y is equal to e to the power minus 3x. What is dy by dx? Dy by dx is nothing but differentiate with respect to x. What is dy by dx, y is equal to e to the power ax. Suppose y is equal to e to the power ax. dy by dx is nothing but e to the power ax into a. Correct? We have the formula. Then e to the power minus 3x into minus 3. d2y divided by dx2, which is nothing but e to the power minus 3x into minus 3 into minus 3, which is nothing but 9 e to the power minus 3x. 9 e to the power minus 3x. Now consider d2y divided by dx2, plus dy by dx minus 6y, which is nothing but d2y by dx, which is 9 e to the power minus 3x. After that, dy by dx plus dy by dx minus 3 means minus 3x minus 6. What is the value of y? Y is nothing but given, that is e to the power minus 3x, because y is equal to e to the power minus 3x. E to the power minus 3x, which is nothing but 9 e to the power minus 3x minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 e to the power minus 3x, which is equal to 2, which is nothing but what? RHS. Therefore, y is equal to e to the power minus 3x is a solution. This is the solution. After that example, verify that the function y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x, where a comma b belongs to R, is a solution of the differential equation d2y divided by dx2 plus y is equal to 0. d2y by dx2 plus y is equal to 0. Whether it is a solution or not, we have to check. Solution given y is equal to a cos x plus b into sin x. What is dy by dx is equal to minus a sin x plus b cos x plus b cos x. A cos x differentiation is minus sin x, b cos sin x differentiation is cos x. Again d2y by dx2, which is nothing but after that a minus a sin x differentiation is cos x, and plus b cos of differentiation is minus sin x, and d2y by dx2, d2y divided by dx2, you write it as minus a cos x minus b sin x, minus a cos x minus b sin x. After that, you write it as minus take common a cos x plus b sin x, a cos x plus b sin x, minus what is this a cos x plus b sin x? A cos x plus b sin x is nothing but y, which implies d2y divided by dx2 plus y is equal to 0. This is the solution. Right? This is the differential equation where given solution is y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x is equal to a cos x plus b sin x. This is the solution. d2y by dx2 plus y is equal to 0. Next. Next example, y is equal to cos x plus c is solution for y dash plus sin x is equal to 0. Solution y is equal to cos x plus c y dash minus sin x. Now y dash plus sin x is equal to y dash is minus sin x plus sin x is equal to 0, which is nothing but RHS. Therefore, y is equal to cos x plus c is a solution. Is a solution. After that, example, y is equal to square root of 1 plus x square for y double dash is equal to xy divided by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. Solution, given y is equal to square root of 1 plus x square, square root of x square. What is y is equal to root x? We know y is equal to root x. Difference dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by 2 root x. Correct? 1 divided by 2 root x. Here dy by dx, that is y dash is equal to 1 divided by 2 into square root of 1 plus x square into d by dx of 1 plus x square, which is the y dash is equal to 2x divided by 2 into square root of 1 plus x square. 2 to get close, which is the x divided by square root of 1 plus x square, square root of 1 plus x square. Now consider here, what is how to write 1 plus x square? Here x is equal or y is equal to y dash is equal to xy divided by 1 plus x square. We have, correct? Y dash. We obtained the value of y dash. Now we substitute the value of y. Y is nothing but root x square. Consider xy divided by 1 plus x square, which is nothing but x into y is nothing but square root of 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square, which is nothing but x into square root of 1 plus x square divided by root of 1 plus x square into square root of 1 plus x square. Get close. Which is nothing but x divided by square root of 1 plus x square, which is nothing but our y dash, which is nothing but our y dash. Therefore, xy divided by 1 plus x square, which is nothing but y dash. Correct? Which is nothing but our y dash because star. We write it as a star because the equation number that is star. Example, verify y is equal to capital X is a solution for x y dash is equal to y, x not equals to 0, x not equals to 0. Solution, y is equal to x, y dash is equal to a. Now x into y dash is equal to x. What is the value of y dash? A. That is ax is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to ax is a solution. Correct? These are the some explicit and implicit functions we can verify with the help of the differentiation and solution to the differential equation. Let us continue the same topic in the next video. Thank you.